Mavelikara Sessions Court has delivered a historic verdict where it has given the highest punishment to all the 15 convicted in the murder of BJP OBC Morcha member Ranjit Srinivasan, who was murdered on December 19, 2021. Ranjit Srinivasan's spouse is joining us. Ma'am, where did you get the strength from to face such a difficult situation? Where did you get it? It's been almost 2 years. Where did you get the strength from?
I got strength from the Sri Parameshwaran. Mahadevanana എൻ്റെ ശക്തി.
We have heard that these convicts were laughing in the court, they were gesturing, they were making fun even during the trial. What did you, I mean, how did you manage to be in such a situation?
ശരിക്കും പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഞങ്ങൾ എങ്ങനെ
None of those things never matter to us because we know that they are just trying to show it to the world that they didn't do it and so we are not bothered. But we all knew that they are the one who do it because this is not someone has told us. This is something which we have seen with our eyes. So we know that these are the guys. So they were just acting. But I'm sure once they go inside the jail, they'll be crying, thinking about what they have done, what mistake they have done. So none of that bothered us.
Do you think this is a historic verdict because has in the history of Indian justice?
I am not sure whether there is any antecedent for that aspect. In my information, after the independence, there is for one murder, the 15 culprits were hanged to death. That is, I think, there is a first decision by Sessions Court.
The Sessions Court, while listening to both sides of the argument, has been convinced by the submissions made by the prosecution that the murder was well planned in advance and there was a conspiracy behind it. The case also came to limelight and which has eventually led to the even banning of the Popular Front of India. 15 members of the organization have now been given the highest punishment by the court. The court has been convinced by the argument that this is the rarest of the rarest case and thus a verdict which has never been witnessed in the history of Kerala's jurisprudence and probably arguably in the country as well.